Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine and healthy at your home. So, today we will start our new chapter in Gulmohar book from our Gulmohar book. It is chapter number 5, Daisy the Cow. Okay, students. So, be ready with your book also. So, first I read, then I explain you the chapter. So, as you know, काउ इज आर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल यू नो विच काउ को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं गाय सो हेयर द स्टोरी अबाउट द डेजी द काउ एंड अ बॉय सो इन दिस स्टोरी काउ नेम इज डेजी ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग विद मी जिम likes the animals so here is a boy you can see it's his name is Jim okay Jim likes the animals. Likes means he means very much have interest in the person or thing. So Jim likes the animals. Jim को animals बहुत पसंद थे on Aunt Katy farm. So here is Aunt Katy. You can see in the picture. Here is Aunt Katy farm. So in the farm there are so many animals like you can see in this picture. So Jim is a boy who likes all the animals on where Aunt Katy farm. He likes Billy, the little black goat. So here you can see this is a goat. So its name is Billy. So it is favorite animal of this boy Jim. Okay, he likes the noisy hens. Here you can see also hens are there. So Jim also like these noisy hens also, and the gentle sheep. So sheep is also here. So Jim is all the animals of the farms like sheep, goat and hens. But there is one animal Jim is afraid of. Afraid of means बेटा to get scared of, मतलब जिससे आपको डर लगता है. तो जिम को ये सारे एनिमल तो पसंद थे बट देर इज़ वन एनिमल जिससे कि जिम क्या करता था, डरता था उसके पास जाने से. सो नाउ सी व्हाट हैपन. Jim says, I am afraid of the bear with the horns. As you can see in this full picture, there is no bear because Jim thought that it is bear, but it is not bear. It is cow which name is Daisy, but it has horns. So Jim thought that it is bear with the horns. Okay, horn you can see here, it is horns of cow. It's very sharp है. So सींग जिसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. Okay, it stares at me. तो उसको ऐसा लगता था कि स्टेयर्स मैंने घूरना कंटिन्यूसली लुकिंग. सो उसको ऐसा लगता था कि अगर वो काऊ के पास जाएगा तो वो उसको कंटिन्यू घूर रही है, मार देगी, कुछ भी कर सकती है, कुछ भी हार्म पहुंचा सकती है. दैट्स वाई इट स्टेयर्स एट मी with large brown eyes. As you should see, the cow eyes very big. It's his brown color eyes. So that's why Jim scared from cow because of her horns and large brown eyes. Okay, Aunt Katy says, that isn't it a bear? Aunt Katy replied to Jim that it's not a bear, it's a cow. Its name is Daisy. You think wrong. But Jim thinks that this is a bear with the horns. So Aunt Katy replied to Jim that isn't it a bear? ये bear नहीं है. That is my good cow. Of course it is my very good cow because as we all know that cow gives us milk. Okay, we worship also cow. So Aunt Katy replied that it is not bear, it is cow. Okay, or very good cow it is. Daisy, she will not hurt you. So its name is Daisy and she will not hurt you. Jim, don't afraid from her, don't afraid from it. It will not, she will not hurt you. Okay, next page beta. See on the next page. Yes, but Daisy is making loud noises at me, says Jim. Jim replied to his aunt that Daisy is making loud noise at me. Aunt Katy says, no, that is Daisy mooing loudly. So Aunt Katy replied to Jim that, no, 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 you are thinking wrong. She is not making loud noise at you. She is saying moo. As we all know, cow sounds moo. So that is Daisy's sound of mooing loudly. She is not trying to afraid you. Okay. She is hungry. Aunt Katy gives Daisy some hay to eat, because as we know that animals have their another different language. So cow language, cow say cow voice moo sound. Okay, so she is hungry. She wants some hay to eat. That's why she is saying moo moo loudly. And Aunt Katy gives Daisy some hay to eat. So you can see in this picture, Aunt Katy gives Daisy to eat some hay. Hay means सूखी घास, चारा, यो ओके जैसे हम घास खिलाते हैं तो वो हमें दुख देती है, तो सेम वे आंट केटी इज गिव्स डेजी टू सम हे टू ईट. Slowly Jim walks up and stands beside Daisy. So you can see in this picture, just slowly Jim try to go near to cow and touch, means slowly he just try to touch the cow. He just pet the cow. So Jim walks up and stands beside the Daisy, and she makes a soft moo sound when Jimmy near to it. So she makes a soft moo sound. She is not very loudly saying moo moo. No. She is saying very softly moo sound. So when he pets her, when the Jim pets her, so she is making very soft moo sound. Okay, when he pets her, I am not afraid of Daisy now, Jimmy tells Aunt Katy. So now when cow is saying very soft moo sound, it will not hurt Jim. Jim understand this thing. So now Jim replied to Aunt Katy that, Auntie, I am not afraid of Daisy now. अब मुझे इस Daisy से डर नहीं लगता है. Because of some misunderstanding, he thought that Daisy have a very sharp horns, very blunt horns, like so. अब उसको realize हुआ कि cow will not hurt him. So he just tried to pet her and says to his aunt that I am not afraid of Daisy now. Okay students, so here are some new words. You can see noisy, afraid of, horns, stairs, large, hurt, hungry, and moo. So hope you understood the chapter right now. Just read it 2 or 3 times and then we will do its work. Okay, thank you students.